Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this Steyr RSO. So this kit comes in three options, one that is flatbed, one that is covered, and then the regular one. So I went ahead and assembled these two as examples, and then this assembly will be applicable to the covered and the flatbed as well. So actually, in this kit, there's actually no sprues that you need to cut. So let's go ahead and directly get to gluing. So yeah, you get these two parts here. Let's get some glue here. There you go. You got the glue there. Alright, so that's great. I got that piece together, so now let's go ahead and put some glue there. And for this piece, just plop the engine, the front down like that. And just make sure that it gets into the center. Like that. And up next is this. So go ahead and let's put some glue like that. Tweezers are always helpful. Just making sure I get that in the correct position, by the way. You get the idea. Alright, after that, we just need to put some glue down here, and just anywhere there on that surface. So this should be facing back. That's great. And then the next step, of course, is then this. Whoops, wow, that was a lot of glue. Let's see if we can manage. Yeah, generally Loctite comes out more controlled. Anyways. So you can see here how this is the way the track should be. You can just place them there. And then look at it from this angle to make sure all those little things are being placed correctly. Now we put some glue here. So there you have it, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.